guys. So today I'm going to teach you how you can send free SMS using a mobile app without any SMS charges, and I want you to carefully follow any step that I take. So first of all, I want us to go to the Google Play or the Play Store. Then we search for message. Alright, so we have our message, Google LLC communication. So we install it. This is the app we are going to use, and it will be ready in some few seconds time. So we open it. After opening it, we have to manage in settings. Okay, so set default SMS app. We have to set our default SMS app. So it's the first one that we installed, so that's what we choose. The second one is the default one, the one that comes with my phone. So we select the first one. Now the next thing to do is to go up top right. We are choosing settings there on the three dots. Then general. From general we go to chat features. So here we have to enable Wi-Fi or data for messaging when available. So I allow. You can deny it. So a pop-up is going to show after I turn my chat on. Okay, so this is a pop-up. I have to enable my chat feature from Google, and now I have to register with my phone number. So you type in your phone number to verify the user. So you'll be connected at the status. You are connected. That's it. So the next thing to do is to go back to your message app. Then I'm just looking out for few friends that also have the same app on their phones. So I go here, that's chats MTN, that's chatting with Danny. That means that my chat has been activated or connected. If it's not activated, it would have written text MTN, and now it's chat MTN. So I send free SMS or free messages to my friends and loved ones, and that's all. So you can like the video, subscribe, share, comment, and I'm also going to place a link of the app there, so to be easy for people to find it. So thanks for watching.